All right, so I got a lot done today, especially, but right down in here where these two bolts are, I've got the brake light switch on there, and if you look at the back of the truck, you can see it. So that's done. Gas pedal's in, all the wiring is tied up, so none of it's in the way, doesn't affect anybody. So that's all done. All I got left to do in here is a plate right over the top here, and then the transmission tunnel right in here. And that'll finish up the floor. And then I'll just build some straps, and that's where I'm going to leave that computer. At least it'll be dry inside the cab, or should be anyways. And then outside of the truck, going to be kind of hard to see some of this, but so I put this bracket on, and then this bracket set up. So I think that turned out pretty good. That should help just hold the front when the hood's on here. This piece right here is off of a different truck, but it fits a 46 Chevy. So as you can see, I kind of trimmed everything around so it would fit flush for the most part. But I mean, it's not going to hit the radiator. So I think that's pretty good on this side. The horn's all done, wiring's all done. The truck's basically done. I just have a few things to tie up along the driver's side frame. Build a little bracket for this guy, and then bolt some electrical the wire loom to the frame going to the back of the truck. I need 5 quarts of ATF, the transmission fluid, and then this guy's done. So, and I put some loom protector on here where this goes down to the starter. Now you can't really see it, but that's what that guy's for. Kind of help that out. And I still got to bolt the seat in, but it's already set up as far as the brackets I made out of the stop sign post. So it gives you a little bit of adjustability. And I think that's pretty much about it. And the wires I'm talking about, the looms, just like right in here, I just want to use some cable clamps and put that thing up against the frame so they don't move around a lot. And I think that's about it. Come up with a little bit of chain for back here on the tailgate, but everything's working good on it. I'm pretty stoked. As much as I got done today, this guy is just about done. So, and I mean, you can see, I also, it had that missing grill piece, so I welded that back in there. So you can see the grill's complete now. So I think that turned out pretty good. Because that tooth was broken out of there, that grill tooth, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, and then I got to get further back. There we go. Maybe. Yeah, that's better. So anyways, you can see what I'm doing there. I'm almost done. The hood's right here. So, and that's all the wiring that I have left over, I guess you'd say, because the wire and harness is made like 4 feet longer or something like that, just in case. But wipers are on. I mean, this thing is almost done. I'm a happy guy. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to move this truck out of here. Hopefully. It'll be about this time in the day, though, I'm guessing, because I still have some little stuff like I just went through to get done. But it's very cool. It's been a long 8 months. I got this guy on November 6th of last year, and we're in June now. So that's how long I've been working on this guy. Almost every day. But anyways, there you go. Thanks for checking her out. Bye.